Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Yoga with Julia Wiley. I'm Julia, this is Jasper and Lucy. If you haven't done so, please do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and then you'll get updates whenever I come out with new videos. Now, I've had quite a few requests from you on a video on how to meditate for beginners. So maybe you want to be less stressed or to be more focused. Perhaps you'd like to improve your relationships or to gain more confidence. Whatever the reason, meditation can help. Now, when you start to meditate, it can feel very strange at first. Basically, you're training yourself to sit and do nothing, but it can really give yourself time to refresh and reset the mind. Now, in a meditation, basically, you want to have a very gentle focus on one thing. Very often it's the breath, but it doesn't have to be. So you're trying to quieten down what in yoga they call the monkey mind. You'll find, however, that even when you're quite an experienced meditator, you won't be able to shut the mind off totally. I compare it often to a television set that's always on. But even though it's on, you can choose not to watch it. So I'd like to guide you through a very gentle meditation today, just focusing on the breath, just to get you into the feeling of how to do it. So if you sit yourself comfortably, you might like to sit on a cushion or something, just to raise the hips up slightly. It can be a little bit more comfortable. You could be sitting on a chair, or you could be lying down if you prefer. The only reason people don't lie down for meditation is that sometimes they can fall asleep. So make yourself comfortable, try and have a straight spine, just close your eyes so that you can let your attention draw inwards, and just bring your attention gently onto the breath. Just feel the breath flowing in and out of your nostrils slowly. You don't need to change the breath, but just feel it flowing in and out. You'll find that thoughts do pop into your mind. But when they do, just don't pay attention to them, as if there were clouds just floating past the sky. Just be aware that yes, they are there, but bring your attention back slowly onto the breath. Very slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? Often it helps you feel really rejuvenated and refreshed. If you found that you had a lot of thoughts popping into your mind, don't be frustrated. This happens a lot, especially at the beginning. Just very gently always bring the focus back onto the breath. If you've enjoyed this meditation, you might like to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and then you'll get updated whenever I come out with my new meditation or yoga videos, which I do every week, or I try to do every week. If you have any suggestions, let me know, and you might like to have a look at my meditation playlist. I've got quite a few meditations on there already. These are guided meditations, so there's different ones for relieving stress. There's one to put you in touch with your intuition, some to help you sleep, to lose weight, and there's even a mini 5-minute holiday you can take in your mind just to leave you feeling really refreshed. Let me know how you get along with the videos, and if you have any special requests, I'd love to hear from you.